have no other gods before me, is part of the Ten Commandments found in the Hebrew Bible, specifically in Exodus 20 verse 3. This commandment is central to the monotheistic beliefs, only one God, of the Christian, Mennonite, religions, emphasizing the exclusive worship of the one true God, Yahweh, and the prohibition, forbidding, of idolatry, which is the worship of false gods or idols. The commandment is understood to mean that God wants his people's thoughts, desires, and actions to be guided solely by him, without any distractions or competing priorities. This includes not giving one's heart, soul, and mind to anything or anyone else before God. The Lord warned his people against the dangers of being distracted by wealth, friends, marriages, and other things that could lead them away from focusing on him. The concept of false gods mentioned in the sources refers to anything or anyone that one might place above God in their life, such as cultural traditions, career aspirations, material possessions, power, prominence, and prestige. These false gods can lead individuals away from the true path of worshiping the one true God and living according to his ways. In the context of the New Testament, Jesus Christ emphasized the importance of loving God with all one's heart, soul, and mind, which is interpreted as the first and greatest commandment. This love for God is to be the foundation of one's life, with all other actions and priorities being guided by this love. The commandment serves as a guardrail for living a life that is fully aligned with God's will and values, avoiding the pitfalls of idolatry and the pursuit of false gods. Despite being warned against idolatry, many believers, Mennonites, fell into the temptation of worshipping these false gods, leading to their abandonment of God. The commandment, therefore, serves as a reminder of the importance of remaining faithful.